Hi everyone, I'm Daniele Magliozzi. Thank you for joining me today. We are here to explore one of the most urgent issues of our time: climate change and environmental sustainability. This isn't just a scientific or political issue, it's a human one. It affects our health, our economies, and the future of every living being on this planet. Let's have a look on today's agenda. We'll start by assessing the current state of our planet. Then we'll dive into the main concern: climate change and environmental degradation. Next, we'll explore our responsibility and the solution available to us. And finally, we'll wrap up with a call to action and invite you to reflect and engage. To understand the challenge, we must first understand the condition of our planet. From rising temperature to polluted oceans, Earth is sending us distress signals. This discussion is relevant to everyone because no matter where we live, we share this planet. So, let's ask the fundamental question: what is our biggest concern? The answer lies in sustainability. Environmental sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's the foundation of life, health, and prosperity for all species. Because environmental sustainability affects our health through the air we breathe and the water we drink, it affects our economics through agriculture, energy, and disaster recovery. And most importantly, it affects our children and their children. This is a shared responsibility. Let's look at the major global challenges. Climate change is causing extreme weather and rising seas. Pollution is poisoning our air, water, and soil. We're losing biodiversity at an alarming rate, and we are consuming resources faster than Earth can replenish them. These issues are interconnected and they demand urgent attention. Climate change is the most pressing threat. It's not just about warmer summers, it's about survival. Environmental degradation weakens ecosystems and makes us more vulnerable to disasters. Scientific data confirms global temperature have risen by over 1 Celsius degrees since the 19th century. Extreme weather events, hurricanes, wildfires, floods have increased by 250% since 1980. This is not speculation, it's reality. Biodiversity is the backbone of ecosystem stability. Yet, we lost the 60% of vertebrate species population since 1970. Habitat destruction is not just a wildlife issue, it's a human issue. It affects food security, disease control, and climate resilience. Pollution affects the 91% of the world's population. We are using 1.7 hours to sustain our consumption. This is unsustainable. We must rethink how we use and value our resources. So what we can do? Governments must enforce environmental policies. Organizations must innovate and lead by example. And individual, yes, each of us must adopt sustainable habits. Governments create a framework. Organizations drive innovation. Individual make it real. Together, we form the ecosystem of change. There is hope. Solar and wind energy are growing rapidly. Circular economies are reducing waste and prompting reuse. Innovation is lighting the path forward. Environmental issues don't respect borders. We need global agreements and partnership. Only through cooperation can we tackle climate change effectively. To conclude, environmental sustainability is urgent, but not hopeless. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the will. What we need now is action. Yes, the challenges are pressing, but innovation and commitment offer hope. Let's choose sustainability, not just as a goal, but as a way of life. I invite you to reflect: what can you do to reduce your environmental impact? Small action like reducing waste or conserving energy up. Let's be the change we want to see. Even though this is an 11 audience, I encourage you to ask questions, share your thoughts, and engage with others on this topic. Dialogue leads to understanding, understanding leads to solution. Environmental sustainability is our greatest challenge and our greatest opportunity. Together, through awareness and action, we can shape a healthy future for Earth and generation to come. Thank you.